Your reception area is the face of your brand. Just as you would make a first impression in person, the space you welcome visitors and clients also needs to have an immediate, warm, welcoming wow factor. If the space is bleak, tired, and uninspiring, this can convey that your brand or business is the same. If you've made the space interesting, sleek, and included details that relate to aspects of your brand, not only will you communicate a positive first impression, but it may be that catalyst for a conversation starter before you get down to real business, all while leaving clients, visitors, or potential employees with a positive first impression of your workplace. My name is Jazz, and in this video, I'll share 7 simple yet powerful ideas to improve the reception area in your business. Bringing a little bit of the outdoors indoors is not only proven to have positive wellness benefits, but this will help brighten up the space with a little color. Depending on how much natural light your reception area gets, there's sure to be some plants to suit. If your reception area is well lit with filtered sunlight, the Monstera is a great choice. If you have low natural occurring light, choose something like an earth star or a mother-in-law's tub. When it comes to lighting, paying attention to the details and finding the right balance is crucial. White lights and strip lighting can appear too stark and clinical, while warm side lights and bulbs overhead can appear too warm and homey. A spotlight setup with light, warm daylight LED discs could be the best option for you. Otherwise, if you already have an alternative setup like LED panels, it would be best to research your options for introducing warm daylight natural lighting. And be sure to fix any flickering lights or broken bulbs. Sometimes the little things make a big difference. Signing into a paper visitor book might seem like a small task to ask, but can feel laborious, especially for clients. In modern age of data privacy and automated offices, it makes sense to meet and exceed expectations around visitor management when you have a guest. With a smart visitor management system like SwipedOn, your visitors can sign in using their smartphone to avoid touching a communal device, showing that you care about their health and well-being too. Cut the TV and blaring radio. If you want to come across as professional and offer a space for visitors and clients to feel welcome, blasting their senses with the local radio station or TV shows that they may find undesirable is not the best way. Instead, why not choose a couple of playlists on Spotify, focusing on soft jazz, which is sure to drift discreetly into their ears. A good starting point would be jazz vibes or chill jazz playlists on Spotify. Nothing says neglect like those magazines with dog-eared pages that have been leafed through way beyond their published day. Instead, invest in a collection of coffee table books that are sure to stand the test of time. And the theme doesn't have to be random. Use this as an opportunity to show you're a knowledgeable and cultured brand in your chosen industry. For example, if you're a design agency, choose books about popular artists and designers that resonate with your brand. You want your furniture to be comfortable, so be sure to test it yourself before bringing it into your welcome space. Remember, your guests won't be kicking back for a couple of hours with Netflix, so you don't want them sinking too far into a couch. And consider older clients and visitors, as they may need a harder piece of furniture they can easily brace to get up. Choose furniture that is comfortable but not too squishy, and choose a layout that works with your space and doesn't clutter it. Most importantly, keep the space minimal. Too much stuff everywhere can also reflect negatively on your brand. Remember, less is more. Make it simple but significant. Your guest just needs to feel calm and welcomed, not totally bombarded. Don't overcomplicate it with too many plants. It doesn't need to be a jungle, and you don't need to buy the whole bookstore. Just 3 or 4 good books for the coffee table will suffice.